How to gain over 100,000 real followers in 3 simple steps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to take your Instagram to the next level, you're in the right place. Tired of slowly growing your followers? Well, today I'll show you how to gain over 100,000 real followers with just 3 easy steps. I've personally tested this method on my own account and trust me, it works. So stick around to see how it's done. Let's dive into step 1. Convert your Instagram account to public. Here's the quick guide. Open your Instagram app and head to your profile. Tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner, then choose Settings and Privacy. Scroll to Account Privacy under Who Can See Your Content. If your account is private, simply toggle it to public. This is essential to make your content visible to a wider audience. It's the first move toward growing your follower count. Step 2. Visit the RXGEM website. This site is safe and reliable. I've personally used it, and there's no risk to your account. Once there, search for Instagram in the box and click on it. After a few seconds, you'll see a verification process pop up. Step 3. Complete the device verification. Don't worry, it's super quick and simple. Depending on your country, you'll need to complete one of the offers, such as confirming your phone number, verifying your email, or installing an app or game and using it for a bit. Once you're done, your verification will be complete, and you'll be set to gain followers. Now for the fun part, watch as your followers start to grow like crazy. You'll see your numbers rise rapidly, and before you know it, you'll have over 100,000 followers. And that's it. In just 3 steps, you can skyrocket your Instagram following. Stay tuned for my next video, where I'll show you how to turn those followers into profit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and be ready for more tips. See you in the next one.